Hey, garage warriors, ready to level up your workspace? In today's video, we're breaking down the top contenders for the title of Best Garage Workbench. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional craftsman, we've got the perfect bench for you. From sturdy builds to innovative features, we're here to help you find the ultimate work companion. Stay tuned as we unveil the game changers that will revolutionize your garage haven. Number 1. Worx Pegasus Multifunction Workbench. Meet your go-to helper for versatile projects. The Pegasus Multifunction Worktable by Worx. This adaptable workbench is designed to be your favorite assistant, offering a range of features to enhance your project experience. Use it as a robust worktable supporting up to 300 pounds, or transform it into a sturdy sawhorse with an impressive 1,000-pound capacity. The legs lock securely, ensuring a stable and wobble-free workspace. Equipped with 2 integrated quick clamps, this worktable makes it effortless to secure materials in place or join pieces together while waiting for glue to dry. Additionally, 4 clamp dogs assist in positioning materials and holding objects securely on the table. A convenient small shelf beneath the table offers storage for extra tools and supplies. Weighing a mere 25 pounds, the Pegasus is a portable solution. Measuring 32 inches high, 25 inches wide, and 31 inches deep, when folded, it becomes a compact 5 inches deep. If your project demands more space, easily link 3 or more of these tables together. Embrace the convenience and functionality of the Pegasus Multifunction Worktable as your trusted project companion. Pros: doubles as worktable or sawhorse. Includes clamps and clamp dogs. Very stable and sturdy. Lightweight, portable design. Cons: included clamps are not heavy duty. Number 2. Keter 12-inch Portable Folding Workbench. Enter the spotlight. The Keter Folding Workbench, a standout on our list for its remarkable portability and compact design. If your lifestyle involves constant mobility yet demands the functionality of a workbench, this option is an outstanding fit for you. Not only does it accommodate a miter saw comfortably, but it also comes equipped with 2 12-inch wood clamps, extending its utility for woodworking enthusiasts. Unquestionably, this workbench stands out as the paramount choice for woodworking projects. The defining feature of this workbench is its foldable design. After a day of industrious work, effortlessly fold it up and carry it along. What elevates this design even further is its lightweight construction without compromising on durability. Crafted from heavy-duty resin, the Keter can brave the outdoors. Resilient against the elements, the aluminum legs, while not as robust as some alternatives, still provide ample stability for this remarkably convenient solution. For those in search of portability without compromising durability and utility, the Keter Folding Workbench is the ultimate pick. Its ability to fold into a compact package facilitates easy transport, while the heavy-duty resin ensures it can tackle challenging tasks with ease. Pros: made with heavy-duty, very resistant resin, lightweight and easy to set up. Includes wood clamps, durability or utility. Cons: height isn't adjustable. Number 3. 2x4 Basics 90164 Custom Workbench. Empower your workshop with the 2x4 Basics 90165 if you seek absolute control over the materials and construction quality of your workbench. This unique custom workbench offering comprises only brackets, legs, and shelf attachments, omitting lumber from the package. Although building and installing it may require more time and effort, the flexibility it affords in tailoring the workbench to your preferences is unparalleled. The legs and brackets included in this set are robustly crafted for enduring performance. Constructed from heavy-gauge structural resin, they boast extra sturdiness, allowing each shelf on the table to support an impressive load of up to 1,000 pounds. Notably, the legs are designed with 90-degree angles, eliminating the need for miter or angled cuts when using 2x4 lumber. This do-it-yourself workbench option offers unparalleled freedom in terms of configuration and material choices. The exceptionally sturdy legs and brackets, featuring user-friendly 90-degree angles, ensure a straightforward installation process for a workbench tailored to your exact specifications. Pros: best DIY and highly configurable, extra durable legs and brackets, doesn't require miter or angle cuts, 1,000 pounds weight capacity. Cons: lumber not included. Number 4. Seville Classics Ultra HD Commercial Lighted Workbench. Experience robust craftsmanship with the Ultra HD Lighted Workbench, standing out as one of the sturdiest options featured on our list. Its heavy-duty steel frame, coupled with leveling feet, ensures stability, accommodating uneven ground in your workshop effortlessly. The tabletop, crafted from durable beech hardwood, rivals oak in longevity and resilience. measuring a substantial 1.5 inches in thickness. This thickness strikes a balance between durability and versatility, providing ample space for attaching clamps or vices securely. A standout feature of the Ultra HD Workbench is its integrated fluorescent light fixture, granting you the flexibility to work at any time of day or under various lighting conditions. Adding to its appeal is the ample storage provided. 2 drawers suspended below the table and a pegboard on top ensure that you have everything you need for an organized workbench, eliminating the need for additional storage solutions. The Ultra HD lighted workbench truly excels in combining durability, functionality, and organization for an optimal workspace. Pros: includes pegboard and drawer storage, integrated fluorescent light fixture, steel frame for better stability. Cons: instructions are hard to read. Number 5. FedMax Portable Mobile Garage Workbench. Enter the FedMax Mobile Garage Workbench, a supremely portable option, thanks to its heavy-duty and smoothly gliding casters. While the alternative option of leveling feet is available, we highly recommend embracing the casters to maximize the workbench's mobility. The casters come equipped with locks, allowing you to secure the table in place once you've positioned it where you want. The steel legs add another layer of versatility, as they are adjustable from 28 inches to 44 inches in height. Setting the stage for durability is the extra durable Acacia hardwood tabletop. Acacia stands out as one of the premier hardwoods for workbenches, offering resistance against scratches and damage. While the tabletop's thickness is a modest 1 inch, the enhanced durability of the acacia wood compensates for this limitation. Complementing the robust tabletop is the FedMax's resilient steel frame, capable of supporting weights upwards of 1,000 pounds. The FedMax Mobile Garage Workbench seamlessly blends portability, adaptability, and durability for a versatile and reliable workspace. Pros: fast and simple assembly, strong acacia hardwood top, height adjustable. Cons: tabletop only 1 inch thick.